What's up guys, it's Shereé, and today I am sharing with you something that I absolutely love. I recently purchased one of these STEAMPRO straightening brush irons, and it is so good. So as you know, I'm normally a curly girl, but occasionally I do go straight, usually for the winter. And I actually didn't want to do it this winter, but as usual I had to because my scalp isn't reacting very well to curly hair products. So I'm taking a little break from my wash and goes, and I didn't want to do a traditional flat iron because I don't want to put all the extra heat on my hair. So in using this STEAMPRO, it actually infuses moisture into the hair. You actually add water to it using this little squeezy bottle, and as you run the straightening brush through your hair, it steams and really locks in moisture with every stroke. This is my second time using it. The very first time I used it, I thought I was going to get more of a blown out look, so voluminous and big, but actually I guess because of the type of hair that I have, it actually flat ironed it. So I'm using a different setting today and I'm excited to see how it turns out. I don't know if you can see this, but on here it's set to 230 and steam, and so we're gonna give it a shot. So just want to let you know what I have in my hair right now. I did a deep conditioning treatment. This stuff is so good. It is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. And I actually put this on my hair last night. I sat with it on my hair for about an hour and then I rinsed it out. My hair was so soft, and I've been having a lot of trouble with keeping moisture since I went blonde. So that is definitely a product that's worth trying. I picked mine up from Ulta Beauty. You can probably find it there, and as you know, Shea Moisture is also sold at Target and Walgreens and CVS and other places like that, but I hadn't actually seen this line yet, so I'm excited that I found something new that I love. And this says that it's for strengthening and protecting extremely dry and brittle hair, which is exactly what I have, and it's sulfate free, so check it out. Okay, so the things that I typically use for a blowout is I use my Frizz Ease by Frieda, and this is the one for extra strength, so people that have really thick curly hair, this is definitely a good one for you. And after I put that on my hair, I use the Shea Moisture Argan Oil and Almond Milk Smooth and Tame Blowout Cream. And this stuff is really nice. It definitely helps my hair to maintain its moisture and to be really soft, so I love this a lot. So those are the two things that I put in my hair before I went to bed. I braided my hair in 2 braids and then I went to sleep. And so we're back today and I'm gonna go ahead and use the STEAMPRO. So thanks so much for watching, and let's hope that it comes out good.
Okay, so first I'm going to unbraid this braid and detangle it using my Tangle Teaser for thick and kinky curly hair. I'm sectioning my hair in about 1-inch sections because that's what fits best in the straightener. As you can see, I'm running the straightener through the sections at least twice. In some areas I will go over it a 3rd time. I will say this straightener is doing a great job of passing through each section of my hair really easily, no hang-ups or kinks at all. As I'm straightening my hair, I'm watching old episodes of Gossip Girl, and I don't know why I'm watching this, but at some point I started watching season 1 and now I can't get enough. As you can see, in certain sections I do have to detangle again. It is because I have some damage from processing my hair. I did go blonde over the summer, and since then I have experienced some dry hair and some breakage. So in those areas, mostly on the crown, top of my head, I do have a kinkier texture of hair, and it's a little bit harder to straighten and to keep untangled. Even with those struggles, this process seemed to be going pretty well. It is definitely still doing a good job of passing through my hair. It hasn't caused any damage whatsoever.
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so it took, I just looked at the time. It took 12 minutes to do one half of my head. 12 minutes to go from wavy to silky bone straight. My hair is super soft. It's not dry. It doesn't really feel like I flat ironed my hair at all.
But then it wasn't your bag.
I mean, look at this.
Don't you know never to leave anything valuable?
Shiny, silky, no frizz.
The liberty of increasing your storage space.
All right, well here we go with the next half.
Look at this. You've discovered the hidden shock, but you should know.
And my hair is still wet.
Real feelings for you
It's still
whatsoever.
damp.
It was
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of my head the same exact way that I did the other side. And I, at this point, had to add more water to the steamer. So just for reference, if your hair is similar texture to mine, you should be able to do one side of your head before having to add more water. Since the process is the exact same, I am not going to film the entire section of my hair. I will just go ahead and cut it short.
Okay guys, so I'm done. It took me 20 minutes to do my entire head, which is unheard of. If I had used a regular blow dryer and flat iron, it would have taken me an hour. So again, my hair was braided and wet when I went to bed. When I woke up this morning, it was still a little damp. By the time I actually started to use the STEAMPRO, my hair was still damp. And this is my results. It is shiny and soft and silky and no frizz. And generally, since I've gone blonde, if I straighten my hair, it is dry and crazy. So I'm extremely impressed with this. If you are looking for a blow dryer alternative or a flat iron alternative, you might want to give this a try. It's definitely going to be my go-to from now on. Anyways, I thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.